get it out. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I have a Kawaii box to open from Yumetwins. I am so excited, so without further ado, let's get started. This is a monthly subscription box. You get a cute little box every month, and I think it's awesome. Whoa. Is that a squishy? Oh my gosh. Welcome to the Yumetwins family. It's a little squishy cat. Look how cute. It kind of smells like chocolate. Look how cute. It's a little, what is it? It's a bunny. Is this a bunny? This is so cute. It's a Mokoro pocket monster thing. That's so cute. That's adorable. I would probably keep a chapstick, my little cat squishy, and some moolah. It's a ruler. I could take this to school. This is so cool. What's that thing? There's like a little circle. That's so cute. I feel like it comes apart. I could just play with it and not even measure anything. Like, that is so cool. It says Hello Kitty and it just has like a bunch of cute little quotes and drawings. So, little twin stars. Oh, I've heard of these. So, this comes with some cute little stickers. This is like a little paper of like what it comes with or something. These are just like little notes. These are so cute. And I'm not totally sure what these are. They're like party invitations, I don't know. The next thing is a key cover. We could use this for your car keys. It's a really cool key cover. That is so cute. I'm gonna make my mom use this for her car keys. This is adorable. What is this? This is so cute. That's adorable. It's like a little Tsum blanket thing. Okay, my 3 favorite things are this little stuffed animal because this is just like so cute. This is so cool. Like, I think this is awesome. And this blanket. Oh wait, and this. The little squishy. So you can get a different adorable box every month. So I'm gonna put the links down below in the description box if you wanna check one out and get one for yourself. I definitely recommend these. These are like so adorable. I'm like, I don't know, these are just like amazing. 10 out of 10. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite thing I got is and what you want me to do next. I love you guys so much. Bye!